Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to turn off the notifications that you get from the application, just tap on your account icon at the bottom section. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top, which will now open up the application settings option. Now, within this setting, go ahead and tap on notifications. And now you will see the various different notification categories. Just tap on each and every one of these and then turn off the kind of notification that you would like to disable. You can disable each of the notifications from within all of the categories, and you may also find the turn off all button to turn every one of them off. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.